Okay, so today I'm gonna demonstrate on how to use creatine to maximize workout endurance for your muscles. Today I have creatine monohydrate. I usually do 1 scoop in my mix of pre-workout and a muscle builder. Typically, whenever you start this, you wanna load up. So you take 20 grams a day, which is normally 4 scoops. But since I already went through my loading phase, I'm gonna add 1 scoop to my drink. So you get a scooper, round it out, you add 1 scoop. And then for me, I have my other supplements that I add in, but these are optional. I use these because it gets me going through my workout and it adds some extra strength. I like creatine because it lets me really last through my workout and gives me the final push whenever I'm doing my sets. And it has scientifically proven benefits. Creatine works by adding extra ATP to your muscle fibers, giving you more cellular respiration. So now that I have everything mixed up, I'll close it up, save it till I'm on the way to the gym, and I usually drink it around 30 minutes before. So the next part will be me drinking it. So right now, I'm about to head to the gym. I got my creatine with my pre-workout, my muscle builder. I have 6 ounces of water. I like to do 6 ounces so it can really hit me pretty quick and get me into the gym, and I already start to feel it and I'll get that endurance. With this, I notice I don't really get tired after a long workout. So usually I work out for like an hour and 30 minutes or about 2 hours, do my cardio, and this really gets me through it and gets me going. So right now, I'm about to leave. While I'm driving, I'll drink this pretty quick, and it really helps add more water to your muscles so you have more hydration, and you just have to drink a lot of water. But through all the research and everything I've done, I found that it's pretty safe. It's not anything harmful to you as long as you drink water. If you don't drink water along with the supplement, you can have problems with your kidneys and stuff like that. So the most important thing about this is drinking water. But besides that, it's a really safe supplement. I would recommend it for anyone that wants to get into like going to the gym or like wanting to change their body. But yeah. Alright, so it's been about an hour and 30 minutes since I first took the creatine. I've been drinking my water throughout my entire workout. I don't feel fatigued. The creatine really helps with me being able to get through my chest and my leg workout. I really recommend it if you have trouble really getting tired through your workout real quick. Because before I started taking creatine, halfway through my workout I'll be fatigued and my muscles will be already killing me and I'd be ready to go home. But it's a really good supplement in order to get your endurance up and really help you get through your workout and help with all that. I really recommend it if you want to get into the gym and you want to have that boost to really get you through it, like how I did. You can find it pretty much anywhere. Just go to any local vitamin shop, GNC, anything like that. It's really cheap. You can get about like 120 servings for like 20-30 bucks. It's really cheap, affordable. Just look for creatine monohydrate. Make sure to drink all your water and you'll get through all your workouts really good.